What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're working on a pretty cool tailgating mod for the Jeep Wrangler. I got this product from SUPAREE. I'll have all their information down in the description below. Definitely check them out. They have a lot of cool Jeep mods. I got my headlights, my lockable gas cap, and even my center console cushion from them. So basically what I got from SUPAREE is a shelf system. There's going to be two shelves that go on the inside of this tailgate here. And so if you go camping with your Jeep or you go off-road, anything like that, even tailgating as I mentioned earlier, you'll have an extra place to put your items. So it came with this trim removal tool, which is pretty cool, so I don't have to go get one. And we're just going to start by popping this first piece off, which to me is kind of a useless piece. I've taken this off before and there's really nothing behind it except holes for, I don't even know. So this is going to be better than what's here, of course, and nothing is functional. So with that piece off, we're gonna go ahead and remove the rest of the black. So I can use kind of these openings here to help get some leverage to pop this off. Alright, so just a little bit of wiggling and we can get that off. So I've just taken some time off camera to kind of figure this out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in and just clip it with just a few on the top there to hold it in place, because we do have to do some drilling for this. So with that in, kind of just a rough mock-up, this is our upper shelf. So if I pull on this release up top, this is shelf, or the first shelf that I mentioned on the top. So this is going to bolt in to the outside bolts that are already into the liftgate there. So I'm going to take the supplied hardware. We have two spacers along with the bolts here. With this mocked up, we do have to drill 2 holes into this first plastic piece that I removed. There are 4 openings on the back side. It's going to be the inside 2 holes, and they even supply you with this massive drill bit that we will use in order to do that. So those are the first 2 holes that you have to drill, and again, they correspond with those 2 in the upper shelf there. And then with that shelf pulled off now, on the back side of the second trim piece, I've done a little bit of this off camera. There's actually 2 indentions where you're going to do your second 2 holes. So you'll see there's one right here, and then one way over here. They're clearly marked, you know, indentions on the back side here. They line up with this hole down here and this hole over here. There's another bar that comes with this kit that's going to go on the bottom side of that shelf. There's only one way to do this. So you're going to line it up like this with those 2 holes, and then there's 2 additional holes over here that's going to attach to that first shelf bracket. So this is laid out very well, and you can piece it together and utilize all these markings that tell you exactly where to drill, so you know you're going to get all 4 holes on the first try, which I think is really cool. I love how this is going together so far. It's taken me some time off of camera since I haven't done this before. So now what we're gonna do, we're taking the shelf that we've been using to mock up everything, and there's a bar here that we need to go ahead and attach. So there are 2 holes on the left side, there's 1 on the right side. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the 2 on the left. It's now time for the reinstallation, and as you saw earlier in this video, I used a smaller drill bit than what the kit came with, and I did a lot of mock-ups just to make sure everything lined up correctly, and then I went ahead and took that drill bit, and hopefully you can see from there, these holes are much larger now. That's so we can go ahead and put the sleeves through and have this already on the vehicle. So I'm gonna start by putting this back in. I can also go ahead and take this piece and reinstall it as well, since I drilled out those holes. Before I go ahead and put that shelf on, I'm just going to go ahead and put these spacers in these holes so that way they line up and I know exactly where they're going to be going. And then from there, I can take the upper shelf here. I still haven't connected the lower shelf, so there's still some pieces on here that are not fully intact, like that lower bar. And now I can go ahead and attach it from the upper section. All right, so that is a pretty good mock-up so far of shelf number 1. I do have to make an adjustment on the nut holding in this lock here for the shelf, but that is pretty cool. And then on to installing the lower shelf now. I'm going to use the locks on the top of it to help hold it in place. So if you're doing this by yourself, I would recommend doing this so that way you don't have to have an extra set of hands in order to do this. And so now from there, we have a nut, a washer, and the bolt, of course, to go ahead and put this into place. Well, that sums up our new tailgating mod for the Jeep Wrangler. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it. They're a little bit snug. I'm sure they'll break in a little bit. And now we have shelf number 1, and we can pull down shelf number 2. And just to show you guys, this is a pretty neat thing. If you're tailgating or even working on your Jeep, you have a nice place you can put all your tools. You can work on your Jeep and just have a really cool, put your water bottle there to stay hydrated, of course, and have a really nice area to store things if you're camping or anything like that. So make sure you guys check out this mod from SUPAREE. I'll have all their information down in the description below if you'd like to put this mod on your own Wrangler. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. We'll go ahead and close it up just like this. One lock and the other lock. I'll see you guys in the next video.